Do you like it?
Is it dry?
It's dry. What do you think? Is it a big boy bed?
Yeah.
Do you want to get on it? Yeah.
Hey.
Are those all your friends?
No red on here.
No red on there.
Ow.
Look, those are all your friends.
We're sitting on my bed.
We're sitting on your bed.
Is this painted? Is this why?
Try it and see. Try it and see.
It's dry.
It's dry.
It's dry.
It's dry. Do you like your new bed?
Oh, is this dry? Is this dry?
Does it look dry?
Yep.
Yep.
It's dry. Wow. I used to have this yesterday. He has to hold onto a wheel. This is George.
That is George. You're right. You're right.
Is this dry? Yeah.
What do you think? Did we move your bookcase? Do you remember where that used to be?
Wow.
Ooh.
This is a nice room.
You like it?
Yeah.
I'm glad.
Everything is screwed up.
It's screwed up.
It's all nice up.
I'm glad it's all niced up. What do you think, Cam?
Look at this pretty bed.
Yeah.
You picked this one.
I did paint it red.
And now my socks are dry.
And now your socks are dry too. They're red too, right?
Yep, it's dry. This is a nice bed.
I'm glad you like it, sweetie. Is it all dry? Do you like it, Cam?
You jump on pillows.
You can jump on those pillows.
Is this dry?
I think it is.
Wow.
I'm glad you like it, William.
And where's my other water?
That's your only water.
Wow.
Wow.
This is a W.
What starts with W?
Oh,
What starts with W?
put it down.
There, we can put it up here.
Look at the bag.